The Congress has asked for a special session of Parliament to discuss the attack in Pahalgam as well as Operation Sindoor. There was a press briefing by the Congress party a short while ago, and they have said they've made this demand and that Rahul Gandhi, leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, and Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge have both written letters on this to the Prime Minister.
I just say it's a departure from convention because ceasefire is between two countries, and we had given full support. We still give full support to the government and our armed forces to take appropriate action. Despite ceasefire announcement, there were violations last night, serious violations. So the credibility of the Pakistani state and its army is up for question.
You have said that there should be an all-party meeting. What all do you expect from that meeting?
Well, we've had two all-party meetings. Unfortunately, the Prime Minister could not attend those meetings, but this time he should attend the meeting and brief the leaders of the various political parties about our stand, what was our objective, how far our objective has been achieved, and how successful our armed forces have been. And this unprecedented announcement of ceasefire, under what circumstances, under what situations, and under what guarantees? Because I don't think after last night's violation, we can take Pakistan's word seriously. Because, moving ahead, who's to know that they will not once again recreate those terror infrastructures and try and attack India one more time?
All right, let's go across to Anushka now for more. And Anushka, the Congress just held that press conference where they made this demand. Also, letters have been written to the Prime Minister by Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge. They feel there is a need that a special session be called, and there should be more clarity on Operation Sindoor as well as the terror attack that took place.
That's right. The leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, and Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge had written a letter to the Prime Minister saying that there should be an all-party meeting where leaders of every party should be present, and the Operation Sindoor and everything that happened in between should be, discussed by the government to the opposition parties. Also, they have, in fact, also questioned as to why the Kashmir issue was internationalized. This comes after Donald Trump has tweeted about this whole matter that he will be talking to both the leaders of Pakistan and India, and will be talking about the Kashmir issue in a neutral ground. And he has also in fact said that they will be trying to solve a 1,000-year-old issue for India and for Kashmir. The Congress party has in fact also said that why, if the ceasefire was accepted between both the nations, then the announcement came from the US President Donald Trump. Serious questions have been asked in this whole press conference. They have also in fact, the Congress party has reiterated that an all-party meeting should be done, and Prime Minister Modi himself should be present at that meeting, because the previous two meetings Prime Minister was not there, and this time he should be there, and there should be discussion regarding this whole matter. He has also in fact gone on to say that the West is trying to hyphenate both India and Pakistan while they stand firmly with the government. All of the India, the 140 billion people are supporting India in this matter. Then it should be clear whether it has been decided and what all measures have been taken so that it will be made sure that Pakistan will not be, in fact, doing all the terror attacks in the Indian soil. We did saw, the Indian Army coming with a video, explaining all the terror attacks that Pakistan made in the Indian soil. And that is why the Congress party is saying that there should be some serious, questions regarding this. And I have in fact also said that they just want the government to come forward to discuss about the ceasefire announcement, and also what all measures the government has taken so that this whole incident should not be, done. This whole incident should not take place again. And that is why this whole conference was done. Sachin Pilot, the senior Congress leader, was himself in the press conference and had said that an all-party meeting should be done. While on the other hand, Rahul Gandhi, who is the leader of opposition, and Mallikarjun Kharge, who is the Congress president, have written a letter to the Prime Minister. Over to you.